Today I'm tying what I call the Galaxy Black Max Gator tail. Start off with a little Sally Hansen's. For our thread, we're using some Danville 210 Denier flat wax nylon thread in black. Build up a little base, down this hook point, back a little bit, about to the middle, cut off the excess. Our tail is a Galaxy Black Gator tail. We've already got it on there. We're going to cup the gator tail. Then we're going to tie it down. Tie it down loosely. Make sure your position is right. Then tighten it down. We're going to add some flash now. I'm using silver black crinkle flash. Wrap it on down. Cut off the excess. For our body, we're using new Age Chenille Anthracite. Wrap it on in. I like to put a half hitch in there just to keep my thread tight. Bring my thread over, wrap it around a couple times, bring it under, wrap it around a couple times, over, wrap it around a couple times, cut the chenille, build up a little bit of a collar. Personal choice. Now we're going to whip finish. I do it 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Pull it tight. Cut your thread. I finish it off with a little bit of Sally Hansen's to lock in that thread. And there we have what I call the Galaxy Black Max Gator tail.